This is the kind of scent that you wear to a date, you guys. A dinner date. A dinner date. And you want to make an impression, spray this around, you know, spray this on your neck, on your décolleté. Guys, this is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another amazing video. Yay! Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, because wing lady is doing so good, as you can see. Today I'm back with a highly requested video. You guys wanted to see the review on this perfume, and here I am, because wing lady delivers. So today we are going to be reviewing Mousuf Wardi, the new pink Mousuf. This one, I'm sorry you've seen it. I'm pretty sure you've seen it almost everywhere. Everybody's talking about it. How does Mousuf Wardi smell? Oh my god, you guys, it smells like bubble gums, you guys. It smells like bubble gums. If you like chewing gum, if you like chewing gum, if you like bubble gum, if you like strawberry flavored bubble gum, this is your kind of scent. Like, it smells so feminine. As soon as I smelled it the first time, I knew that there were going to be a ton of sweet notes in there, and I was not disappointed, because it has strawberry, it has apple, it has vanilla, it has roses, lychee, rhubarb. So sweet, you guys. And the best part is, after they dry down, you begin to catch the musk. It has musk in there. And you know what musk does to feminine perfumes, you guys? You know what musk does? If you're wearing a perfume that has fruits and musk, you know what that means. It smells so seductive, so sensual, so feminine, so womanly, so soft, so ladylike, so baby girlish, if you know what I mean. Guys, you need to get a bottle of this one. I'm not playing. You know I'm not playing. You need to get a bottle of this, because what is this goodness? Like, so it smells sweet, obviously very sweet. It's my kind of perfume. It is sweet, it is fruity, it is juicy sweet, it is light and airy. It's not that dense. Like, it's not a thick scent, it's not a dense scent. It is a feminine, powdery, you know, rosy, sweet perfume. It's like the epitome of femininity. Like, if we were to talk about femininity in a bottle, this will be it, you guys. Like, it is so pink. It smells pink. It smells exactly like the bottle and the packaging. It smells pink and girly, and not in a juvenile way, guys. So good. It smells like there's honey in there, but I cannot find any honey in there. It's probably the strawberry that's coming off that sweet, guys. So girly. It smells like chewing gum, like you can eat it. I don't know how best to describe it. It smells pink. You know how ladies' pink perfume smells like? Powdery, sweet, fruity, yummy, drippy, syrup. Should I go on? Guys, buy this one. Buy Mousuf Wardi. You will not regret it, because it's really, really nice. So the fruits at the top, the strawberry at the top actually comes through. Like, it really comes through. The strawberry in here, it is juicy. The berry is so perfectly done, and it's almost like you can taste it. You know, the smell of strawberry, many manufacturers like to put strawberry flavor into chewing gum, into bubble gum, so it smells this fruity sweetness. That is exactly what they infused into this Mousuf Wardi perfume. So I don't catch the florals much. The roses in there, they are there, but they are not shouting, they are not screaming. It's not a floral perfume. It's a fruity, sweet perfume. If you like gourmands, perfumes that smells edible, like if you spray this on you, someone is going to wanting to eat you, guys. Someone is going to want to eat you. I can assure you. If you like gourmands, perfumes that make you smell like food, that make you smell edible, that makes people want to dig into you. This is that kind of scent. This is the kind of scent that you wear to a date, you guys. A dinner date. A dinner date. And you want to make an impression, spray these around, spray these on your neck, on your décolleté, spray these on your arms. In fact, bathe yourself in it. You're not going to choke him out. That's the perfect thing about this perfume. It doesn't choke you out. No matter how much you spray, you're still going to be fine. So it doesn't choke you out, you guys. It's sweet. And as sweet as it is not dense. It is not heavy. It is not too creamy. It doesn't weigh on you. And there are some perfumes that are so dense that once you wear them, you feel like you have a weight on you. This is playful, light, airy, fresh, fruity. It's the perfect definition of a feminine perfume, like a baby girl perfume, a chic perfume, a girl's perfume. If you know what I mean, you guys, if you know what I mean, like it's so girly. I'm not going to say juvenile, because when you say juvenile, that means there has some sort of sticky sweetness in there that's not too good, that is for babies. It's not juvenile. It's actually mature pink. It is mature feminine. It is mature sweet. Guys, when I love a perfume, it is not hard to see at all. This one, I'm in love with. You can buy this and wear it to literally anywhere. It's going to work for office. It's going to work for dates. It's going to work for nights out with your friends. It can literally work for anything. It depends on how much you spray on you. And if you have like a scent that you want to layer with a sweet scent to bring out the femininity, this will definitely work for you. Mousuf Wardi will definitely do that for you. So it's just going to, whatever you're wearing and you layer this with it, it's going to bring out that touch of femininity. It's going to smell like beautiful fruits and roses. You know how they say men like women to smell sweet? This is what they were talking about. Get yourself a bottle of this, guys. You know I don't play on this channel, and I tell you the truth. Girls, get yourself one bottle of this. It's really nice. As for the lasting power, I'm a bit disappointed in that angle. It doesn't last so long. It doesn't last as long as the real Mousuf lasts. And it pains me, because the thing about sweet scents is that most of them don't last long. Oh, good, so good. The thing about sweet scents is that most of them don't last so well, and it just bothers me so much, because I wish it lasted so long. You probably have to take like a decant or something to be spraying it often, because on my skin it doesn't do more than 5-6 hours on my skin before it fades away, if it even gets up to that 5-6 hours. And on clothes, it barely does up to that 24 hours. Like it's not a strong perfume. The strength is not too there. Like it's not so strong. It's not a beast mode. It doesn't have power because it's not too dense. Like I said, it's light and airy, so it's not too dense. So it doesn't have that power, strength to stay on you for long, but it will do you well. It smells really good. As for the sillage, the projection, the performance, how can people smell you? Yes, they can smell you, but it's in a scent bubble. It's not a beast mode that will choke everybody out. It's not a beast mode perfume that everybody will be smelling, but it's going to be radiating off your body in waves. If you get what I mean, like you catch a whiff here, you're like, that's good. You catch another whiff there, like, who's that? You get, it's going to form a bubble around you, and it's going to be radiating off of you in like waves. You're going to be waving it out, you're going to be dropping it. It's an aura. It's an aura. Guys, it's not going to choke you out. No matter how many sprays you go, except you literally bathe yourself in it, it's good. And it's going to stick to you and form a bubble around you. But it doesn't project too much. It doesn't cut right through the air. It's not a perfume that's suitable for winter or cold seasons, because the strength will not be able to cut through the cold. So I suggest you use this when you can get away with it when it's sunny, when it's hot in the summer. You're good with this. But in the winter, you might have to layer this with something heavy, to give it body and bring everything out. But it is quite good. The smell, 100%. It's a quality perfume. I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about this. It's really good. It's really good. And if you compare it with the original brown Mousuf, I have this one here because I wanted to compare the two. if you compare it with this one, I've been going through my Mousuf. The thing about this one is that the older it stays with you, the better it gets. What you smell now is not the same thing you smell in 3 months' time. It marinates. I hope this does that too, so that maybe in the next 3 months this will be denser. But this one has gotten denser since the very moment I bought it. This one has gotten denser. This one is still light and airy. So let's see if this one is going to get dense too. Now, if you spray this Mousuf, the original brown Mousuf, I know I've reviewed this one before, but you know, comparison. I'm giving you a 2-in-1 video, 2-in-1. This is also very nice. And you know what I was saying about the cold weather, like if it's in a cold season or if it's in the winter, Mousuf Wardi alone will not work. The best thing for you to do is to layer it with the original Mousuf. This one too has that sort of sweetness, that kind of strawberry sweetness that complements the Mousuf Wardi, such that my sisters, my brothers, if you layer this combination, layer this and come back to me on this channel. You see this and this, bomb. Wear this one first. Take this as the first layer, then spray this one on top, then go out and see how much compliments people pay you, and see if people are not going to say, who's that, who's wearing that, who's smelling like that. You guys, you need to try this combination. You cannot be following Wing Lady and not try this combination. You need to try this combination. They are really nice together, you guys. They are really, it's like they're made for each other. This is husband, this is wife, and they're so beautiful together. I really wish you guys would try it. Bomb. Wing Lady does not recommend trash for you. You know this. Bomb. So guys, that's it. And I've talked about the longevity and the sillage, and sadly that brings us to the end of the video. I don't want to go because I like talking to you guys so much. But please like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more of me. I mean, who doesn't want to see more of Wing Lady? So until next time, you guys, I love you so much. Ciao.